Congratulations, you've successfully completed Module 1. It's something to celebrate. I invite you to take a glass of wine, a cup of coffee, water, whatever, just to celebrate this achievement. Over this module, you've learned how to import data on SPSS. You've learned how to enter, retrieve, or store a data file. You've learned how to handle data files, and more importantly, how to clean a data set on SPSS. The next module will be on the fundamentals of data, and this will be given to you by Mr. Raoul Zama. Wishing you all the best. Lastly, don't forget to leave your feedback on this module. See you soon.